Live with the news where you live. 8 News at 6 starts now.
Thanks for joining us tonight for 8 News at 6. I'm Deanna Albritton.
And I'm Heather Holt, filling in for Eric Phillips tonight. We want to start you off with our Capitol connection. A federal judge has ordered Virginia to put more than 1,500 voters back on the voter rolls ahead of Election Day.
This decision centers on a state process we've been reporting on that is designed to remove non-citizens from the voter rolls. But as we've reported, concerns over the system stemmed from it potentially flagging eligible citizens and violating federal law. Capitol Bureau reporter Tyler Englander has reaction.
A federal judge found that Virginia's process for removing potential non-citizens is likely to violate a federal law that prevents states from systematically removing voters 90 days before an election. Tonight, reaction is pouring in after a federal judge ordered Virginia to reinstate around 1,600 people to the state's voter rolls ahead of the November election. Governor Youngkin criticized the saying, quote, "Only 11 days before a presidential election, a federal judge ordered Virginia to reinstate over 1,500 individuals who self-identified themselves as non-citizens back onto the voter rolls." However, Democratic House Speaker Don Scott praised the ruling, saying, quote, "This purge was a direct attempt to disenfranchise eligible U.S. citizens. At odds in this case was a state process that uses data to remove people from the voter rolls who identified themselves as non-citizens during a DMV transaction. The process came under fire after voting rights groups and the U.S. Department of Justice sued the state, saying the process violates a federal law preventing states from systematically removing voters 90 days before an election. Plus, the process faced even more scrutiny after local registrars confirmed eligible citizens were at risk of being removed, and court documents revealed that some eligible voters were being impacted. The state argued the process wasn't systematic and was being done to ensure election integrity. However, today a federal judge disagreed with the state and ordered Virginia to restore all of the 1,600 affected voters removed during the 90-day quiet period. Now, as mentioned, Governor Youngkin and Attorney General Jason Miyares say the state will appeal the judge's ruling. At the state capitol, Tyler Englander, 8 News.